Incoloy vs Inconel difference. Intro. When it comes to choosing the right material for your project, it can be difficult to know which one to choose. One of the most common questions asked is, what is the difference between Inconel and Incoloy? Both Inconel and Incoloy are high-performance alloys that are known for their strength and corrosion resistance, but there are some key differences between them that you should understand before making a decision. In this blog post, we will discuss the main differences between Inconel and Incoloy so that you can make an informed decision about which alloy is best for your needs. Composition. Both Inconel and Incoloy are superalloys that are highly resistant to extreme temperatures and corrosion. However, their chemical compositions differ slightly. Inconel is a nickel-based alloy that typically contains chromium, iron, and small amounts of other elements like molybdenum and copper. The alloy is known for its high strength and resistance to oxidation, as well as its ability to retain its mechanical properties at high temperatures. In contrast, Incoloy is also a nickel-based alloy but contains a higher percentage of iron. It may also contain elements like chromium, molybdenum, and copper, but its composition is designed for high resistance to corrosive environments. It has excellent mechanical properties at both high and low temperatures, making it ideal for applications in extreme environments. While both alloys are nickel-based, their differing compositions result in different properties and applications. It's important to consider the specific needs of your application before choosing between Inconel and Incoloy. Temperatures. One of the key differences between Inconel and Incoloy lies in the range of temperatures they can withstand. Inconel has a higher melting point and can handle temperatures up to 2000 degrees Fahrenheit, 1093 degrees Celsius. This makes it ideal for applications in extreme heat and high-pressure environments such as gas turbines, jet engines, and nuclear reactors. In contrast, Incoloy can handle temperatures up to 1600 degrees Fahrenheit, 871 degrees Celsius. While it is not quite as heat-resistant as Inconel, it is still an excellent choice for high-temperature applications, such as chemical processing equipment, heat exchangers, and furnace components. It is worth noting that the exact temperature resistance of both alloys can vary depending on the specific composition and processing methods used. However, as a general rule, Inconel tends to offer better resistance to high-temperature environments than Incoloy. Applications. Inconel and Incoloy are both highly versatile alloys that find applications in a wide range of industries. Here are some common applications for each alloy. Aerospace industry. Inconel is extensively used in aerospace components, such as gas turbine blades, exhaust systems, and aircraft fasteners. Due to its excellent heat resistance and high strength, it is the material of choice for many critical components in the aviation industry. Nuclear power plants. Inconel is also used in nuclear power plants for its excellent corrosion resistance in high-temperature, high-pressure environments. It is used in nuclear reactors, heat exchangers, and other critical components. Chemical industry. Inconel's resistance to corrosive chemicals makes it ideal for use in chemical processing equipment, such as reactors, piping, and valves. Marine industry. Inconel is used in marine applications due to its excellent resistance to saltwater corrosion and high strength. Chemical industry. Incoloy is widely used in chemical processing equipment, such as reactors, piping, and valves, due to its excellent corrosion resistance in acidic and alkaline environments. Petrochemical industry. Incoloy is commonly used in petrochemical refineries for its ability to withstand high temperatures and corrosive environments. Power generation industry. Incoloy is used in power plants for its high temperature and corrosion resistance. It is used in steam turbines, heat exchangers, and other critical components. Food processing industry. Incoloy is used in food processing equipment for its excellent corrosion resistance and hygiene properties. Overall, both Inconel and Incoloy are versatile alloys with unique properties that make them suitable for a wide range of applications. The choice of which alloy to use depends on the specific requirements of the application. Thanks for watching.